right, here we go. Good luck, Mark. Last box of 2012 EEE. Box 910, Casey. There we go. Good luck, Mark. Come on, Carlos Correa. Jeff Gelilich, 378 of 497 for the Cincinnati Reds. Luke Bard, 1 of 200. Oh, that's Seager auto, yeah, one of the two. Corey Jones, 513 of 781. Not Corey or Kobe, but Corey or Cody. Sorry, late. Mitch Ney, High School All-Stars. Diamond Kings, Kevin Gosman. When I must they show me boobies. Elite Series. Mike Zunino. Nada. Nada. JT Chargois. 78 of 100. Oops, wrong stack. That's 3 autographs. Alex Yarbrough, 35 of 100. Los Angeles Angels. Yeah, bruh. Paul Blackburn, 98 of 200. Striker Trahan, 51 of 100. Arizona Diamondbacks. Rob Lyerly, Axe 2024 inscription. $11 of 512. Last 2 packs. Nada. And the last pack has autograph Hoist Bollinger, 418 of 697. And that was the box. Can't believe one Seager in the whole case. Whole 20 boxes. This was a 20 box case. It was 1 Seager and 2 Buxtons in a 20 box case. So Hoist Bellinger, Rob Lyerly, Striker Trahan, Alex Yarbrough, JT Chargois, Corey Jones, and Jeff Gelilich were your autographs. I know. Sorry, Mark. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. When must they show me boobies?